Alright guys, I just got this delivery bag from Amazon, and yes, that is my cat looking absolutely bewildered by this whole thing. But you can see it's got a cup holder, it's got a little divider in here, it's got the thing on the bottom to give the bottom a little bit of support. It expands for pizza deliveries, just know that part comes out about this far, so if I get a pizza order, I can take a pizza. I've never done any DoorDash on the scooter or the motorcycle, so this will be my first time on 2 wheels. Alright, let's see what I've got. I got McDonald's. It's not telling me what it's going to be. That's weird that it's not telling me that, but I'm just going to go ahead and accept it, and we'll see what happens. Oh, doggy. Oh man, there's a loose dog. Hey, doggy. Please don't. Alright. So I'm here at McDonald's to pick up the first order. Alright, so now I've just got to get the order in the bag, basically. Just situate this in here. Alright, so the McDonald's bag fits perfectly. That's good. Literally the perfect size delivery bag. Okay.
Right there. Get the on my face. I'm in the window. Oh, can I get some fingers? You need it inside.
Alright, excuse me. Thank you. Drama at the McDonald's. That's fun. Not too far away. I have no clue what it pays though. This is really confusing that it's doing it like this. Alright. Make sure that this is good. Okay, so now we just head off to the order, and this will be the first one, so it's kind of exciting. It's a little more nerve-wracking on the motorcycle, and with the delivery bag there are a few extra little things to do that I wouldn't have to in the car, so that's just something to get used to. But honestly, that was probably the best first order that it could have given me, so we'll just see what happens. Alright, and now we have the fun waiting game. I'll be quick so that y'all don't have to worry about me. Okay, well, so far so good. Look at all those logs. Alright. It's good to look at what you're taking and not just accept every order, but it was giving me like 30 seconds to take it and it wasn't telling me anything about the order. So I guess they updated something on the app and it just shows up in a different spot since the last time I used it. But when I figure that out, I will maybe not accept every order that it gives me, because this is already sort of taking me out of the area, and there's a certain area I'd like to stay inside. But the advantage is Uber Eats will send you anywhere. Like, you could take an order and it'll send you like 45 minutes away, and you just have to be aware of that when you're taking the order. Look very closely at where it's sending you before you accept the order. There's a little bit of a discrepancy with the Uber Eats about what vehicles you're actually allowed to use, and with DoorDash there's really not. You just tell them, hey, I have these vehicles, and they're like, cool. They really don't care which one you're on that day. Ooh, found the best spot to hit them. That was pretty good. Didn't feel it at all, really. Okay, so since this is my first order, I'm kind of like recording the whole thing. But with some of the future ones, I will probably not be doing that. But yeah, this is DoorDash on a motorcycle at the new backpack I got on Amazon. I might link it in the description. We'll see soon. Okay. Resident entrance only, but it's open, so. Oops. Okay. Well, this bag really keeps things warm. This is nice. Now, because I'm handing this to the person, I'm just going to turn the camera off. It looks like I made $7.84 on my first order, so I actually accepted a decent one. I'm so happy that this wasn't a terrible order, because I had no clue how much I was making. Alright, here we are. And it wants me to go towards some hotspot zones, so I'll catch back up with you once it gives me something new. Alright, it looks like we got another one at American Deli. I'm going to accept everything today. This is my first day doing this. Alright. Go, dude, go, 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 go! Come on, man. Thank you. Oh my goodness. I get a little impatient sometimes, but it's just a safety thing sometimes that people need to go. Because the people behind you might start getting impatient. You don't go when the traffic's letting you. Alright, so they got me turning in this little side alleyway. Boo, boo. I need to be in first so I don't drop the bike. Okay, let's see. It's exactly where I think it is. Okay, so I gotta be careful here because people can zip through. Okay. And here we go. Okay, let's do this. I want to be more in the middle. Okay. All right. Hey, I have an order for Damiola. Oh, that was it? Okay. Thank you. Stepped away too soon. Just put these in the backpack here. Just like this. Well, the bag is airtight at least. Let's see. You guys can help keep it up. Okay. Like that. I don't know about this. We'll see what happens. Here we go. Well, we're gonna wait on this guy. Not thrilled about this, so I'm gonna ride up next to the car a little bit just to get out of the intersection. sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, you know? Like, adjust the mirror with the other hand so you can see what's behind you. Okay. The weather's getting a little cooler. The sun is behind some clouds, so this feels nice. I just hope the food is doing nice back here. Maybe I need to sit up straight just to make sure. Oof, definitely in Atlanta. You can tell by the potholes. This is the right building. Okay. Hey, yeah. I'm sure we got the right one. Get that out. Alright, so it looks like that delivery made similar to the last one, which means so far I've made $15.79 off of 2 orders. That's not bad. That is not bad. Okay, so I like to head back into the area that I was in, even if it leads me down here, because I just like those restaurants are like the way to go. All right. Ooh, Can-Am, fun. Whew. Pothole City, aka Atlanta. All right, done talking trash about my hometown. Okay. But yeah, I gotta say, if you do DoorDash at the right times, it's not bad. But you gotta make sure you're doing it at the right times.
So my camera ended up dying before this, but here's the result of those 2 orders. I made $15.79 in about an hour. And then after my camera died, I did 1 more order, and that led to this result, which is $23.10 for the day. So that was my first time doing DoorDash. The bag proved to be a success. I've used it a few times since, and it's been great. And I will update you on some more DoorDashing soon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.